Hello, friends. We have started working on a new project together with friends. Desktop plastic injection molding machine. We have finished the automation part of some parts decently at the R stage. We have completed this injector part. There is a resistance at 4 points in this part. There is also a thermocouple at 3 points. We moved them to a module exactly like this. There is a temperature control module in this way, as well as a PLC CPU. A thermocouple can be connected to it from 4 NFTs. Ours are Type J thermocouple. There are also 4 output. The module can also be used alone. It can also be used as an expansion module together with a PLC. Very simplified temperature control. When we connect the device to the PC with a USB cable, the configuration screen opens on the web browser. In addition, the configuration of the module can be performed without the need to use software. However, we are controlling the module via the CPU. We transfer these values to the operator panel. We enter the set values of 3 different points via PNL. We have projected the temperature values read from the thermocouple on the screen. It performs on OFF or PID control very simply and successfully. As you can see, the temperature values at 3 points came to the set values we set. We did this by using SSR solid-state relay instead of contactor. We will continue our work in other parts. We also started programming the designs of the motion control parts again. In the future, I will make a video in the form of information about this, and I will share with you how it was done. Let that be all for now. See you.